Industrial equipment manufacturing represents a broad range of custom mechanical enclosures. CMP's mix of soft-tooled metal fabricating and machine equipment offers our partners the flexibility that is demanded from their industry. When you couple this with the design team's experience servicing several segments within this industry, you end up aligning yourself with a partner who can not only support your turnkey development and manufacturing needs, but with a partner who brings you a diverse perspective of solutions leveraged from other industries.